What's up guys, in this video I will guide you on how to block users on your Airtel Smartbox router. Now it doesn't matter whether you have the 5G Smartbox router or the 4G Airtel Smartbox router, the process is quite the same for any router you have. So if you notice that some devices are connecting to your Airtel router, or you just want to be able to block certain users from frequently using your Airtel Smartbox router, then this video will guide you on how to go about doing that. Now first things first, you want to go ahead and get any other device like your phone or your laptop, and then make sure that your phone or laptop is actually connected to your Airtel Smartbox router. So go over to the Wi-Fi of your device and then make sure you actually connect to the name of your Airtel Smartbox router. Mine has just automatically connected over here, and then the next thing you want to do is to head over to the admin dashboard of your Airtel Smartbox router. To do this, you want to go over to the back of your Airtel Smartbox router and you're going to see the IP number over here. Just go ahead and enter this exact number exactly as it is inside of your browser on your device. So I'll go ahead and enter mine, open up a browser. You can go ahead and use any browser of your choice. In my case, it is actually 192.168.1.1. Once you're done, just go ahead and open it up, and this is actually going to load the official admin dashboard of your Airtel Smartbox router. You want to go ahead and log in by entering your login details. So click on login at the top over here. If you have not changed your password, then the password should actually be at the back of your Airtel Smartbox router once again. So over here you can see the username and then the password as well. Just go ahead and enter that on your dashboard and you should be able to log in. So go ahead and click on the login button over here, and automatically once you're logged in, you want to head over to DHCP information at the top of the left hand side of your dashboard, and then scroll over to the left. Now you're going to see the device list option over here. Select that, and then from over here you're going to see all of the devices that are currently being connected to your Airtel Smartbox router. You're going to see the host name, the MAC addresses, and then the IP address as well. You want to go ahead and copy the MAC address of the device you want to block or stop from using your Airtel Smartbox router. Let's take for instance the iPhone MAC address over here. I'll just go ahead and copy it. The next thing you want to do is to go over to the left hand side, and then you're going to see the firewall option over here. Select that. Now go ahead and click on filtering rules, and then from over here you're going to see that we have two options. We have the whitelist and the blacklist. Now for the whitelist, you basically want to add MAC addresses that you want to be able to always visit your Airtel Smartbox router, but this is not actually useful in this particular case, since we actually want to block or kick out some certain users from our Airtel Smartbox router. So go ahead and click on the blacklist option over here. It is already selected. What you want to do next is to go over to MAC filtering at the left hand side, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the add rules option over here. Now inside of this input field, you basically just want to make sure you select the IPv4/IPv6. So select these and then proceed to enter the MAC address you just copied from the list of devices that are currently connected to your Airtel Smartbox router. I have just entered my own MAC address. Now go ahead and give any remark just for you to be able to remember the device or devices that has been logged out or blocked from your Airtel Smartbox router. And then once you're done, just click on the confirm button over here, and automatically this particular device is going to be blocked or removed from your Airtel Smartbox router. And again, if at any point you actually want to remove it, at the end of the right hand side over here we have the delete button. So you can just go ahead and click on the delete button and then click on confirm at the bottom over here. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.